Kamei Connect enables us as an engineering company and technology specialist to make use of the latest in technology. It enables us a very quick response now to the client. If we can't attend site physically, we can attend site remotely and we can meet the client's needs, which is the most important thing. It enables us to look at issues quickly, diagnose problems if required, and it also enables us to have a full overview on all the sites. It enables us to respond to the client quickly, and it gives us very useful data on the amount of cycles, the amount of operations the barriers have had. It enables us to then pre-plan maintenance as well, to enable us to plan our engineering and servicing department more easily. From our point of view, looking at it from an engineer perspective and technology, that's what we love. That's what we do. So for us, the Kamei Connect is a natural means of communication direct to site. With the Kamei Connect, when we get a call, we can literally respond within 5 minutes. So if a speed needs altering or the gate's not tweaked how they want it to work for them, it enables us to then manage that quickly, efficiently, not having a site visit, so it's making more use of our engineers' time. It goes without saying that any feature install, we install Kamei Connect.